So now we go to question number 7, 8 and 9 of the second exercise based on BPT and converse of BPT. So question number 7, you are having a triangle ABC, DE, A is the midpoint of AB. So AD is given equal to DB, and same way here you will have to prove that AE equal to AC. So this is given midpoint, you have to prove that this is midpoint given that D is parallel to BC. So since it is parallel, we will use BPT. We can say AD by DB equal to AE by AC. And AD and DB are equal. So when you divide equal quantities, what will happen? It will become 1. तो ये equal है, ये 1 आ गया. Cross multiply करेंगे तो ये आएगा AE equal to AC. So it's a simple sum. Just use BPT. AD and DB are already given equal. So this, when you divide, it will become 1. Cross multiply, you get the answer. The next, both are given midpoints. D and E are both midpoints. You have to prove that D is parallel to BC. So if D is the midpoint, AD upon DB is 1. If E is the midpoint, then AE by EC is also 1, because when we are dividing equal quantities, the answer is 1. So this is also 1, this is also 1. So we can equate both. We can say AD by DB equal to AE by EC. And this is, therefore we can say this is parallel to this. Why? Because by converse of BPT, if two sides are divided in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side, right? Then in question number 9, AB and CD are parallel. We have to prove that OA by OB equal to OC by OD. So two sides of this triangle and two sides of this triangle has to be proved in proportion. So what you need to do is take these two triangles and prove them similar. We have already done conditions of similarity. These are vertically opposite angles and these are alternate angles. So triangle AOB and triangle COD are similar by AA. If the triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion. So we can say that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. And just rearrange this so we get the required result, OA by OB equal to OC by OD. Okay. So first prove the triangles similar by AA. If triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. And then do the alternando property. That means OB is coming down and OC goes that side. So we get required result, OA by OB equal to OC by OD. Right?